वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
प्रथमः पादः।
This second chapter, samasa, we are suspending samasa for some time. So, but you keep chanting that two sections, so that you don't forget. Otherwise, after some time, the sutra will disappear in your mind. So,
Yes,
whenever you
yes,
get time, just do the Ratanam, the two sections.
Okay, ji.
Pratyayah. Yeah, what is that?
Pratyayah.
Pratyayah.
Parascha.
Parascha.
Adidatascha.
Adyudatascha.
Anudatau supitau.
Anudatau
Anudatau
supitau.
supitau.
Guptishkidyasan.
Guptishkidyasan.
Nan dadatan shanjo dirgashchabhyasasya.
Man badadan shanjo dirgashchabhyasasya.
Tato karmana samana kartrikadichayam va.
Dhato karmana samana kartrikadichayam va.
Supa atmanakyacha.
Supa atmanakyacha.
Tam yacha.
Tam yacha.
Upamanadachare.
Upamanadachare.
Adhikarana cheti vaktavyam.
Adhikarana cheti vaktavyam.
Kartukyam salopascha.
Kartukyam salopascha.
Sarva pratipadike vyaktitva vaktavyah.
Sarva pratipadike vaktavyah.
Vrashadibhyo bhuvyachve lopascha alaha.
Vrishadibhyo bhuvyachve alaha.
Logitadidaj vyakyash.
लोहितादिडाज्यश
लोहितादिडाज्यश
कष्टाय कर्मणे
कष्टाय क्रमणे
क्रमणे
कर्मणो रोमन्ततपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणो रोमन्ततपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
वर्तिचरोः
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्गमने
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्भवने
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
शब्दवैरकलगाभ्रकण्डमेघे व्यक्करणे
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकण्डमेघे
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकण्डमेघव्यक्करणे
व्यक्करणे
सुखादिव्यक्कर्तृवेदनाय
सुखादिव्यकर्तृवेदनाय
सुखादिव्यकर्तृवेदनायाम्
नमो वरिवश्चित्रकट्य च
नमो
नमो
वरिवश्चित्रङ्गः
वरिवश्चित्रङ्गह्य च
पुच्छभाण्डचीवरानिङ्
पुच्छभाण्डचीवरानिङ्
पुच्छभाण्डचीवराण्णिङ्
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनाव्रतवस्त्रालकलकृततुस्तेभ्यो निच
मुण्डमिश्रलक्ष्मलवनव्रतवस्त्रहलकलकृतेभ्यो निच
तेभ्यो निच
धातोरेकाचो हलादे क्रियासमविहारेयम्
धातोरेकाचो हलादे क्रिया
हलादे
समाविहारे
क्रियासमविहारे
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं
नित्यं
कौटिल्ये
गतौ
गतौ
लुपसदचर जप जब दख दशगृभ्यो भावगर्भायाम्
लुपसदचर जप जप दह
दशगृभ्यो
भावगृहायाम्
गर्हायाम्
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणा तोलशोकसेना लोभत्वच वर्म वर्णचूर्ण चुरादिभ्यो निच
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणा तुलश्लोकसेना लोमध्वज वर्णचूर्ण चुरादिभ्यो निच
निच
हेतुमति च
हेतुमति च
कण्वादिभ्यो यक्
कण्वादिभ्यो यक्
गुपोधूपविक्षिपणिपणिभ्य आयः
गुपूधूपविक्षिपणिभ्य आयः
पाणिभ्ययाय
ऋतेरीयम्
ऋतेरियङ्
चमेर्निङ्
तमेर्निङ्
आयादय आर्धधातुकेव
आयादयार्धधातुकेव
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
शतासीर्लुटोः
शतासीर्लुटोः
चिद्बगुलं लेटी
सिब्बहुलं लेति
कास् प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लिटि
कास् प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लिटि
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो धृच्छः
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो नित्यः
जयायासश्च
दयायासश्च
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
ईह्रीभृहुवांश्लुवच्च
भीह्रीभृवांश्च
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
इदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
इदां कुर्वन्त्यन्यतरस्याम्
अभ्युत्सादयां व्रजनयां जिकयाम् रमयामकः पावयान् क्रियात् विदामकरन्निति छन्दसि
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां
प्रजनयां
रमयां
रमयामकः
पावयाकृत
पावयां क्रियादि
विदामकस्मिति छन्दसि
छन्दसि
श्लीलुनि
चीलुनी
श्लेघेसि च
श्लेषे
शल इकुपदा अनिटः सः
शल गुपदा अनिटः सः
अनिटः
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
नदृशः
नदृशः
निश्रीदृसृभ्यः कर्तरि छन् विभाषाद्धेट् श्व्योः
विभाषादेष्योः
गुपेश्छन्दसि
गुपेश्छन्दसि
नोनयति ध्वनयत् येलयत् येलयत्यर्दश येलयत्यदयतिभ्यः नोनयति ध्वनयत् येलयत् यर्दयतिभ्यः split like that easy ध्वनयत् येलयत् यर्दयतिभ्यः ध्वनयत् येलयत् यर्दयतिभ्यः
नोनयति ध्वनयत्
यतिभ्यः
It's not sandhi dvanayati but for sake of reading nonayati dvanayat yelayat yardayatibhyah okay asyati vakti kyadibhyo ang
अस्यति वक्ति क्यादिभ्यो
lipi sichi khvascha
लिपि सिचि ह्वश्च
आत्मने पदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
आत्मनेपदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
पुषादीद्युताद्रुदितः परस्मैपदेषु
पुषादीद्युताद्लुतितः परस्मैपदेषु
whatever you that is fine huh Tartishastyartibhyascha irito va. It's difficult to read that. Sutra with the Jiristambu, Mruchu, Mluchu, Gruchu, Gluchu, Glunchu, Shvibhyascha.
Stambhu, Mrichu,
Mrudrugibhyaschandasi. Chinte padaha. Deepajana Budapuri Tayi Pyayi Bhyonyatarasya.
Deepajana Budapuri
Achakarma Kartari. Duhascha. Narudaha. Taponutapecha. Chintavakarmanogo. Sarvadatu Teyak. Kartari Shap. Divadibhyasyan. Va brasha blasha brahmo kramo klamo trasi truti lashaha.
Va,
Brasha,
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 Bramo, Bramo, Rasi, Drane, Lashaha.
Yaso Nupasargat.
Yaso Nupasargat.
Sam Yasascha.
Samyasascha.
Swadibhyashnuhu.
Swadibhyashnuhu.
Shubhashrucha.
Shuvashruvacha.
This is a sutra by which what happens? The actual dhatu is shru. Shru become shru.
Srinoti.
This the interchange. Shrunoti, people say that's wrong. Srinoti, that is proper. Shru is original dhatu. For sarva dhatu kalakara, shru will be replaced by shru. Ada dhatu ka shru is okay. Shrutaha, shruti, that is fine. Akshonyanyatarasyam.
Akshonyanyatarasyam.
Tanu karane takshaham.
Tanu karane takshaha.
Sudadibhyashah.
Sudadibhyashaha.
Sudadibhyashnam.
Sudadibhyashnam.
Tanadikrinvyah uhu.
Tanadikrinvyah uhu.
Dhinvikrinvyo racha.
Dhinvikrinvyo racha.
The last dhatu was, I think, Rikaranta. Right?
Yes.
Rikaranta we saw. Ukaranta we have done. Then we started with Rikaranta. This is 2, this is 1. Ukaranta dhatavaha. Now Rikaranta dhatavaha. The first dhatu, Ru dhatu we saw. Ru gati prapanayaho. Already we have saw this. Arivishati. And Dru dhatu, Himsayam becomes Didirshati. Right? Here only we made this.
Shamyatam Shaji, Dr Dhatu only. We write the dir by 611 we write, or we bring in the Dvitvam by Sanyano 619.
Mistake. This is taking it. 619. Yeah. And here we apply Rutaha Idhatoho 7100 that we can note. 64 16 make it Dirga Achjanakamam Sani Dirga Bhavati. Then now it become Rukara and the Dhatu, then you should apply 7100. If you don't apply, then you will get Anishta Rupa. So you need to, because the Dhatu is now become Rukara and the Dhatu. And Rutaha Idhatoho is there, therefore we apply. Right?
Yeah.
And this is otherwise what will happen? Suppose if you don't apply, and this is Haladi Dhatu and Jaladi San. Haladi Pratyay Pare. Then you will Equajal will negate. I mean, Angakari not possible. Right? So Dru you will do duplication. You will get Anishta Rupa. Right?
Again, a small doubt, Ji.
Yeah.
Is it Haladi Dhatu or Dr? It ends in Rikara. Is it Haladi?
I said Haladi, not
Haladi.
Anta. Not Anta. I didn't say Ajanta. I say Haladi means starting the vowel. Haladi Dhatu, when for Haladi Dhatu, I mean, I'm referring to the summary, I'm saying that short summary. Haladi Dhatu,
Okay.
Followed by Ajadi Pratyaya, followed by Haladi Pratyaya.
But this Dhatu is Ajanta Dhatu only.
Ajanta Dhatu, I said Haladi Dhatu, I said, okay, Ajanta, that is why Guna we are talking about. Which will happen? Guna will happen, Advitam will happen. The question comes. If it is not, then why we talk about this? The Ajadi Pratyaya, Haladi Pratyaya. Guna will happen or not. So, if the Dhatu is haladi pratyaya, guna is supposed to happen, but ecojal negates that. Understand? Okay.
Okay.
So don't get confused. I'm saying
Yeah,
with reference to summary, I'm saying.
Okay.
Short summary for haladi dhatu. Now this is a dru dhatu, haladi dhatu, beginning with a consonant. So ach pare, that is ajadi pratyaya pare, dvittam plus ajadesha. Now here it is, pratyaya is it is not a set dhatu, it's anit, right?
Yeah.
Anit dhatu. Therefore, it is
Anit
not
ajadesha.
ajadi pratyaya, it's not it haladi pratyaya, therefore ajadesha and dvittam. This is what it said.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Haladi dhatu, haladi pratyaya. Okay. Anyway, you understand now. Don't confuse with that.
Suddenly I get confused.
I refer to the summary.
Or
Keep the summary by your side. Or summary is the shortened way I said in the beginning. So that only I make it into this. Again, you have to go back to summary, otherwise shorten. Anyway, just note that this is a haladi pratyaya, and therefore jaladi. Ecojal negates that.
Yeah.
So therefore we do dvittam. Dru if you do dvittam, we got anishta rupa because we didn't apply 7100. So dhatu which has become dirgha continues to be dhatu now for all the rikaranta dhatu, rita dhatu should be applied. If it is preceded by a oshtiya letter, then udaoshtiya purvasya should be applied. 7100, 7110, 102, all of that, right? So that should be applied. After that, you do the dvittam. Okay.
Yeah.
After you do the dvittam, ajadesha, this is angakarya. 100 also is angakarya. So because haladi pratyaya, angakarya first and then dvittam, right? So angakarya, 7100 we applied. Okay. We missed this, I am saying. This angakarya we missed and then directly we did dvittam, as I am saying. Angakarya should be done. The reason is haladi pratyaya follows. Right? It is haladi means if it is for the pratyaya, if it is ajadi pratyaya, then what we do?
If it is ajadi pratyaya, achpare, it will be seti.
Sanam.
So dvitvam and
Ittagama
ajadesha
itself will go this thing, dvittam only.
Yeah, that is for the ajadi dhatu. That's that's for the ajadi dhatu. Now this is a haladi one. Haladi what will do?
Dvitvam and then ajadesha.
Dvitvam ajadesha. Right? Now this is a haladi dhatu, fine, but haladi pratyaya, not ajadi pratyaya. Right? Only when ajadi pratyaya follows, then only dvivachane achi we have to think. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, ajadesha dvittam only. Okay.
Yeah.
This 7100, what I'm saying is we didn't apply. We forgot that whether the sutra itself exists. Okay.
Yeah.
We applied. That's what I'm saying. You follow what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Dvirvachane achi. Okay, let me again clarify. Dvirvachane achi says ajadi pratyaye pare. Right? When ajadi pratyaya follows, what are maybe the dhatu? Our classification only ajadi, haladi. Ajadi, haladi, dhatu is our classification. But why we require that? Why we did this? Because if it is ajadi dhatu, then second vowel will undergo duplication. In that case, what will happen? The ittagama becomes a second. That should undergo duplication, right?
yeah.
For that, what we do? First we do
Ajadesha
and
dvitvam.
dvittam. That is why we split that into the dhatu into haladi, ajadi. Otherwise, it has got no meaning. Okay. Otherwise, we don't have to split like that. I'm saying. Okay. We can just say when ajadi pratyaya follows, then only what will happen? When ajadi pratyaya follows, dvittam first and then ajadesha. Understand?
Yeah.
When ajadi pratyaya follows, dvittam
And then ajadesha.
Then that is ittagama does not undergo duplication in this case.
Whatever it is, ajadi pratyaya follows. Ajadi pratyaya means not only ittagama. Okay. Sorry,
I know,
of course,
it will
it
come
should be
because of
ittagama is there, but that need not undergo. That depends on what dhatu is. Dhatu is haladi or ajadi. Okay. If dhatu is haladi, why should ittagama undergo duplication? No. That is the dhatu is haladi. Eka acha pratamasya. First acha will undergo duplication.
Yeah.
Okay. So therefore you can remember like this. If it is Ajadi, Aladi, if it is confusing, I'm saying you should not confuse after so many classes. If it is, then remember, if Ajadi Pratyaya follows, you do Dvitam, and then that's what from the very beginning I'm saying. I said in a different way. Ajadi means if said, seti, seti Dvitam, Aniti
That's what is
Ajadesha.
Aniti
Aniti
Ajade.
Ajade.
That is easy to.
Remember that simple.
Easy.
Yeah.
Easy.
Aniti Ajadesha,
Angakaryam. Yeah.
seti Dvitam. Now,
Dvitam.
here it is seti Aniti, tell me.
This is
Yes.
Aniti. Aniti only.
Aniti.
So Aniti, then what will happen?
Ajadesha and then
Ajadesha.
Dvitvam.
Ajadesha should be done. That's what I'm saying. Ajadesha we didn't do. I mean, I didn't do. I forgot this whether sister itself exists by mistake. That's why Dhru we did, and we got an Anishta Rupa. So 7100 should be applied. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, by that we get this form. Abhyasakarya, you know what all the Abhyasakarya. You can tell now one Abhyasakarya when I do. Now, well, let's go to the next one. That's Karanta. Did I give any verb as Dhatu as homework? No.
Oh, we didn't. We were just discussing all these, Jaji, once again.
This
and,
is simple. You can remember. Aniti, Ajadesha.
Desha, yeah.
Seti, Dvitva. Simple.
Dvitvam.
Remember this formula. If the Ajadi Dhatu, Ittagama comes, that also covered here, in fact, by saying this. Right? Dvitam, Ajadi Pratyaya. Means it is, Dvitam only. What else? Ajadi is the said Dhatu. Same thing. So this our formula is good, better. Aniti is
Angakarya. Angakarya.
Ajadesha. Ajadesha, it's Angakarya also included.
Yeah, yeah.
Aniti, it is Ajadesha. And Seti, it is Dvitam. But in the case of this, Ajadi Dhatu having the Ittagama undergoes duplication, right? There only Ajadesha. You have to remember that distinctly then.
Yeah.
There it is Seti. Right?
Yeah.
That is Ajadi Dhatu. For Ajadi Dhatu, the second Dutch will undergo duplication. And if second Dutch happens to be the Ittagama, then we do Ajadesha.
Yeah.
So there it is Seti Ajadesha. That's why I said you don't remember that. You keep that as a special case. Okay. You keep aside that as a special case. Otherwise, Aniti Angakarya followed by Dvittam, Seti Dvittam followed by Angakarya. Is it clear? This is common. This is general for all. Again, I repeat.
Yeah. Yes.
Aniti Angakarya first followed by Dvittam. Seti Dvittam first followed by Ajadesha. Okay, I said Angakarya, Ajadesha. I mean, we know what it is. Okay. Ajadesha. Let me say Ajadesha. So Aniti means Ajadesha and then Dvittam. Seti means Dvittam and Ajadesha. If it is Ajadi Dhatu, there you have to be alert. What? That second vowel, which if it happens to be it, then what will happen?
Ittagama undergoes duplication means Ajadesha Dvitvam.
Ajadesha and Dvittam.
Dvitvam.
Right?
Yeah.
There it is Seti, Set Dhatu, right? But not Dvittam first, Ajadesha first. That's why I said you remember. So that you keep it as a special case. Okay. You understand? So three things there.
Yeah.
So Aniti means Ajadesha first. Seti means Dvittam first. If it is Ajadi Dhatu and the Ittagama undergoes duplication, then remember it as Ajadesha first and Dvittam.
Yeah.
So that is a special case. Special case you can remember. Then the common thing is fine. Fine. Oh, okay. Let us come back. This you remember. If you remember and then just do the operation, we'll get the form. Only thing is we have to remember the sutra, Ajadesha sutras. We remember only Angakarya because we say Angakarya, therefore 738 786 comes. But there are other Angakaryas. All these are under the Anga section. In the Anga section only. Angasya 641 only. So we need to remember this. Fine, let us take the next dhatu. Dhru dhatu we did. So did we miss anything? Okay, in the last class I think Darittam, something I said, no? Darittam, Dartum.
Yeah. Dartum, you said it's okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Daritum was there, now changed.
No, you change to Dartum only, no
Yeah.
Itagama.
No, it doesn't want. Because, yeah.
Netanji, I want to ask one doubt. This Ajadesha you told Angakaryam is included, right?
Yes.
Is there
Not
anything else
included.
included in Ajadesha?
See, Angakarya, I mean, Angakarya means Guna Angakarya, Guna Vriddhi. So where what happens is there Ach only comes as an Adesha. So anything where Ach, the vowel comes as an Adesha, it's called Ajadesha. So Angakarya, the specific Angakarya, what we talk about 7384, 7386, where we bring in the Guna or Vriddhi as an Adesha. That's why it is Ajadesha. All are Ajadesha only. Druta Haidataho also Ajadesha. Ach Adesha, the Bhagavati
Okay.
compound. Ach is Adesha in the place of the Stani. It's called Ajadesha. So Angakaryas are all Ajadesha only.
Okay.
Because we are much familiar with Angakarya, therefore sometimes I know it comes Angakarya. But 7100 in this sutra has come. So it is not this is also Angakarya only.
It's Angakarya only, no ji.
It's
This is
Angakarya because
Angakarya only.
Ajadesha. It's okay. But there is no any nimitta, but itself undergoes that change. So Ajadesha, Angakarya, there is no difference. Both are same. You can use interchangeably. It's not a dosha.
Okay.
You can use it interchangeably. That's
Okay.
fine. Why that Ajadesha is used to explain the sutra Dirvachane Achi.
Okay.
Adesha which comes in the Achadesha which comes in the place of Stani, in the place of that will be Stani with that is why Ajadesha the word is used. Okay. Fine. Now next Daritum. Okay, that's what I say. So the Daritum is correct because the Dhatu being a Anit Dhatu. No sutra I could find where Itagama added for Tum Pratyaya. Right? See, only with for Tva and Nishta and San, we have specific this no Itagama rated sutra. For Tum and all, it is not there. Tum or Trich. No. There is one sutra, but I don't think that applies also. There is one sutra in the Itagama section which negates it. That is 7.2 before. 7.2.35 is Adadatukasa Idvala Dehe, and one sutra which is there in just before that. Yeah, that negates Itagama. That is Titu Trata Tha Si Su Sara Kaseshu Na Itbhavati. Titu Trata Si Su. So this sutra gives a list of the words, the ti, tu, ta, iti. So when these follow, itagama is negated. But again, this doesn't apply. Let us see that sutra also. And okay, that has to be Krit Pratyaya also. Kriti coming as another from the previous sutra. The Krit Pratyaya, in which the first, it is the letter is ti, tu, tra, tu, si, sura, ka, ityeteshu, trutsu, itagavana bhavati. So T stands for Tin Pratyaya. Tin Pratyaya is Krit Pratyaya. Tu stands for Tun Pratyaya. It is not Tuman Pratyaya. Tu is there, but here Kashika says very clearly it is Tun. So Tun Pratyaya. Sachita Sachitun iti get. Then Tra is Stran Pratyaya. Then okay, similar other Pratyaya. This is two only I thought. But again, by that only Itagama is negated. But anyway, this Dhatu is Anit Dhatu only. So therefore, Dartum is correct only. Okay, I don't see why it is Daritum. So with regard to Tum, there are no specific rules. Even the sutra also doesn't apply. So you can say Daritum Ichat. Okay. Now let us go to the next one. Understand, right?
Yes, Ji.
Yes.
So, tum pratyaya or trish pratyaya, we don't have any problem. Whatever the dhatu, whether set or anit, accordingly you do the operation, you get the result. Itagama is Itagama, you have add. Angakarya, if it is possible, you do it, apply, you get the form. Okay. Now the next dhatu, let us do the next dhatu. Drim dhatu. Dru dhatu. Yeah. Drim dhatu. So Drim dhatu. Oh, Dru dhatu. Okay, this is Dru dhatu. Dru dhatu we did, and the roopam is Didirshati. Didirshati iti roopam. Did we check the form? The form was the form correct? Let me check. I don't know whether the form is Drin Imsayam. Yeah, that is dhatu we took. And Sanantarupam of that, Sanantakartari, Didirshati is correct, Didirshati. Okay. This dhatu which is Anit dhatu. Okay. Now let us take, before going to the next one, let us take another dhatu. Why suddenly another dhatu? Because here, I'll show you. When Sadru, another dhatu also it is there, which is Drin dhatu. Please see. This dhatu is Drin Imsayam, which we did Swadigana dhatu, Parasmepadi, Anit. Right? Is Imsayam, Swadigana, Parasmepadi, Anit we did. Those Rupam, Didirshati we got. Now let us take the next dhatu, which is Drin Adare, Tudadigana Atmanepadi dhatu. That is also, it is Anit is given. Is it Anit? Interesting that is. Let us do that. I'm taking the dhatu, Drin dhatu, whose meaning is Adare. So generally this will come with Upasarga I think, Adara. So this is Tudadigana dhatu. Tudadihi Atmanepadi dhatu, and it is Anit. Adara, the word comes from this only. Adara, Anadara, etc. Now Drim dhatu. Remember Drim dhatu? Drim dhatu means it is set or Anit. Please check the it Vyavastha.
It is set here. It is set here.
Yes.
Though it is Anit, it is set.
Set here. Where is it given? Please see the.
It's in the short summary I'm seeing.
Yeah, short summary only. Just showing the short summary. Dirkaranta dhatu. So it Vyavastha for
Ajanta dhatu or
Ajanta dhatu.
there at the back, above it, after Poong, it's there.
Yeah. You see here, Adare, Tudadigana, this is a dhatu, which comes under
Set.
say. The following 10 dhatus are said. In fact, there's a sutra is by which this for Sananta it becomes said. Sutra, if you want to find, you can see below, just above. Drin, here it is. That is by the sutra. Kiraf Panchabhyaha. The San Pratyaya following the five dhatus will take Itagama always. Okay.
Yeah.
So therefore, the Drin dhatu, Tudadigana Atmanepadi dhatu, which is Anit, but with regard to Sun, it becomes
Set.
Say. Okay. Now let us do Dru plus Sun. So Dru plus Sun. So Set dhatu. Set agama bhavati. Okay. Just a minute, please. No?
Now, what will be the second step? Can we guess?
Yeah, it should be. Actually, it should be set means it should be Dvitvam, right?
Sorry.
Yes.
Dru plus Itagama. Right? Dru plus Itagama. First we do Itagama. Itagama by the Sutra. 7 to 35. Ardhatuka Sit Valadehe. But you need to write this Sutra also. This is Anit Dhatu. Okay, if you can write it, is good. Dhatu is Anit by what Sutra? Dhatu is Anit by the Sutra. Anudata, here it is. Ekacha Anuda Upadeshe Anudata. By that it is Anit.
Okay.
Adhatuka It Valadehe, that is general Sutra. But Ekacha Upadeshe Anudata, by that is Sutra is 7, 1, 10. By that, it is Dhatu is Anit. Okay. But what happens by this Sutra? By the Sutra just Kiraf Pancham Yaha, that's 7 to 75. You can check the Sutra Pata. Dhatu as the Swara Anudata, it is Ekach, which is then Upadesha Anudatatvat, therefore it is Anit. But 7 to 75, the Sutra, here it says Kiraf Panchabhyaha, the 5 dhatus. But in that, this dhatu also included. So by this Sutra, that becomes now said. Understand? So therefore 7 to 75, because it is 7 to all of 7 to 75, and Itagama will come. What other Pratyaya follows 7 to 35. Understand? So therefore it. This you can write like this so that we know by what sutra it is. We didn't do, but anyway, from here onwards we can do. Or for the sutras, the dhatus which have gone before, we can do. Can write.
Okay. And it is easy, G. Say it only, it's little.
Say it only, got to. Okay. So therefore now here we have Dru plus Isa. Now it is Ajadi Pratyaya. Ajadi Pratyaye Kimbhavati.
Ajadi Pratyaye is where Itagama undergoes duplication means it's Ajadesha.
This is Haladi Dhatu. Therefore, Ekajaha Pratamasya only will apply. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
Now, so, what will, Ajadi Pratyaye. Therefore, Anit. It is Seti. It means Seti.
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 So, Dvitvam and
Dvitvam
first
exactly.
and Ajadi.
If they say Ajadi means you can get confused. If they say Seti means, So, Dru plus Sa. Isa. Okay. By the duplication, what the Sutra is 619. Understand? Here we cannot apply that 6116 because not followed by Sun. Ajjanagamam Sani Eva Dirgatam Bhavati. Here it is Ajadi Pratyaya. Okay, therefore, this one, that 16 will not apply. Okay. Then after that, Dru. And we can do Angakarya now.
Angakarya. Ajadesha.
Abhyasa we can do, and then Angakarya we can do.
Okay.
First let us do Abhyasa. Okay, moving this.
Is that 611 no?
611 no 619 only will bring in duplication, he said.
No,
Ekacho.
611 and 619.
Both we can write. Okay.
Yeah. This brings a duplication. What you have to duplicate. Then the 611 by Ekacha Pratamasya, Sanyano, but duplication. Okay, then. Dru. Now I write like this. It means your understanding now only the Sananta, not before.
Yesterday only we found out that we are confused with Ajadi Dhatu, then Haladi Dhatu, then Ajadi Pratyaya.
No, actually I went into the roots. Suddenly I got down between Ajadi Dhatu and
Aniti Ajadesha Seti Dvitvam. Remember that.
That is right, G. But suddenly I got
we were confused with the Ajadi and Ajanta both.
If it is Dru means what it is.
Yeah, it's natural. Okay, when I said Ajadi, yeah, it happens. It's okay. So Dru is after that. Now we can do Abhyas. Of course, Angakarya will happen. Angakarya is now independent. It can happen. First, we have done duplication. This anyway Angakarya is going to happen. That's okay. The Dittam then and then Ajadesha. Ajadesha naturally it will happen. So what will happen to let us do Abhyasa Karya and then we can do later Angakarya. There will be, there is Rikara. Therefore, Urat will apply. Yes or no? Urat is Uhu At. Therefore, this will be replaced by Dar.
Dar.
What is the number Urat? That you can tell Abhyasa.
7466.
7466. Urat. That applies. Now we can apply. So Urandrapraha is, I'm not writing. We know Urandrapraha.
Yeah, that also we write it.
So we know. So Aladi Shesha we can apply. Repa will go. Aladi Shesha number is
7460.
Aladi Shesha. By that Repa goes away. So you have Dadru. The Dadru plus Isa. Dadru plus Isa. Abhyasa we have Akara. Therefore San Yataha. Number is A will be replaced by E. San Yataha. 74. 74 what?
Anya 7479.
7479, yes. Okay. Sanyataha. Sani Ataha. You understand? Ataha means will be replaced by E. Now we have Didra. Now we can do the Angakar. Now we have Didra plus Isa. Right? Didra will become Isa. This Angakarya, Gunangakarya negated. No. This will enjoys this is a Adadatuka Pratyaya follows the Anga ending with the equal letter. Therefore, Dra will become Dar by the Sutra Sarvadhataka Yoho, Sarvadhataka Adadhataka Yoho 7384. Understand? Then you have Didar plus Isa, Didhar Isa. Right? You check. This is different from the previous. Some of it is different. Didhar Isa. Now we can do Shatvam. Right? By doing Shatvam, Didari Shatvam by the Sutra 8359. Didarisha. Then we can add Didarisha plus T. Didarisha T. Right? Clear. The form must be Didarisha. The Atmanepadi Dhatua. The Atmanepadi, yes. So not T, you can make it Te. By what Sutra it is Te? Puravat Sanaha. We have seen already the Atmanepada. Whatever the Pratyaya, the percentage of Atmanepadi, it will be in keeping with that, right? Didarisha Te. Understand? Yes.
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Ji. Yes, Ji.
Puravat Sanaha. Whatever the Pratyaya, the Dhatu can take, that will in keeping with that only. So Puravat Sanaha. Now the form is Didarishate. What Tum Pratyaya, the Dhatu is Anita, right? Therefore Dartum only.
That too.
Like the previous one. Here also it is Dartum. Dartum Ichati, Didarishate. Understand? Okay. Next Dhatu. Dhrung Dhatu we did the same way. Sananta is easy. It's not difficult. Dhrung Dhatu. Only thing is Ajadesha, those things, if it is clear, it will be easy. Dhrung Dhatu. Let's do that. Dhrung Dhatu. Mahaprana. That also same. The same way as this. Dhrung Dhatu. There also, if you see, we have, I will show you, we have the Dhatu. You can see here, there are two Dhrung Dhatu and both are Anit. And one Dhrung Dhatu, Drinch Dhatu, which is also Anit. We can take anything because all are Anit only. So we can take any one. So, and then do. So form of all that would be, I think the form would be same for all. Let me check. Yeah, only the Parasipadi Atmanepadi difference. No, the form are not same. Okay, the forms are different. Okay, interesting. We'll do that. The forms are not same. So let us take the dhatu to be a dhatu. First we let us do this and then take the other one. Then dhatu, which is dharane. It is dvadiga and parasmai prati dhatu. Dhatu is anit. Dhatu is anit. Okay, so what will happen? Drin dhatu, rikaranta dhatu.
But Ubhayapadi is given. No?
Yeah, Ubhayapadi. Okay, it's Ubhayapadi. Yeah. Okay, Ubhayapadi. Dhatu is anit only. No itagama. Is it take itagama? Find out from the summary.
No, dring only takes, it's a set, but not this.
So let us take the summary here. Yeah, only drin alone is given, right?
Yeah.
Drin, here you see, please see. Avasthane, this was what we are going to do actually, and we will do it later. Akarmaka said. This dhatu, the list of dhatus are said.
Yeah.
So this dhatu becomes said. But the dhatu, current dhatu, what we are doing is anit. Okay. So this is anit only, drin dhatu. So let us do this. Dru plus sun, anit, no itagama. So therefore there is no question of the sutra applying. I'm removing it. It is anit. By what sutra? Okay, let us do anit. By the sutra, it is anudata ekach. Therefore, by 7 to 9, it is anit. Shows this will not take itagama. Okay. Now it is aniti.
Aniti,
Therefore,
ajadeshah, then dritvam. So, but
Ajadesha. Equajal negates. Therefore, no ajadesha.
Yeah.
Equajal. Sutra is 1
It is 1 to 9.
to 9. Therefore, ajadesha cannot happen. But achjanagamam hani will apply. That will apply.
Yeah.
So, just for understanding, I'm writing equajal will not apply. But achjanagamam hani will apply. By that, this is
6, 4, 16. Yeah.
6, 4, 16.
16. It will become dru.
Yeah. In fact, this is not required, because, yeah, anyway, I'm writing it for the sake of, okay, 6, 4, 16 will apply. Because the question comes, 6, 4, 16 will apply or 7, 3, 84 will apply.
That's
7,
what
3, 84, 7, 3, after the application of 7, 3, 84, we need that the pratyaya should be akit. But 1 to 9 make it kit. Therefore, 7, 3, 84 is negated. Therefore, 6, 4, 16. You understand like that?
Oh, okay.
So what I will do, because 7384 supposed to apply, Sarvadhatuk Yoga, that is denied by 1 to 9. Therefore, 6, 4, 16. You write like you understand like this. 7384 and make it as a red color so that you know. So this is not applied. Sarvadhatuk Yoga, that is Angakarya, that is negated by 1 to 9 because that requires the pratyaya should be akit, should not be a kit or git or git, because nag giti, right? Giti cha by that sutra.
Yeah,
So 6, 4, 16 will apply, which will cause dru to
Dirgatvam will happen.
dru. Now dru has come. Therefore, rutaha idataha will apply. Don't forget.
Yeah.
So let me go to the previous one and copy from there. This rutaha idataha.
Seven 100.
100.
Yeah.
So 700 will make it. Dru will become dir. Now we can do abhyasa. We can do dvitvam. We can write here also sutra. Ekacho dve pratamasya 6, 1, 1. And dvitvam happens sanyangoho. Okay, which will undergo duplication and sanyangoho by that When San Pratyaya follows, undergoes duplication, it says. And which one undergoes duplication? That is set, mentioned by the Sutra 611. Okay, therefore, dir. Now, Abhyasa Karya. 7160 is Aladi Shesha, right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
7360.
Huh?
7.
Oh,
Aladi
excuse me.
Shesha, yes, sir. 7461.
So now dir plus sa. So
Excuse me,
dir,
Jay.
yeah.
Inga 611 is applied or 619 is applied? Actually?
No, 619 we do, and after 619 applying that, duplication happens. Which one will undergo duplication? The question comes. Then Ekacha Pratamasa. There's no question of which one. Okay. There's no question. Yeah, both, because 619 tells San Yamaho tells San Pratyanta will undergo duplication. Then the question comes, which will undergo duplication? Then you have to say it is Ekacha Pratamaha Ekacha undergo duplication, right?
Okay.
So not the choice is there. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Aladi Sheshaha 7460. Now after that, we have that we can do D will become Abhyase Charcha. Right? Abhyase Charcha, the D will become D. Charta Vidi. That is 8454.
Yes, church is
54. It must be.
Yeah, 54.
8454, right? Yeah.
Then Didir Sa, we get Didir Sa, right? Didir Sa. Then, but before that, let it be like this. Before that, you can see here, Repa is there, followed by Sakara. So Repa, this is a Dhatu. Okay. Repa of the Dhatu followed by Hal, preceded by Ik. Letter, therefore, Iruvaho Padayaha Dirga Eka Halicha will apply. Okay. Halicha will apply. This is a Dhatu only. Okay. Dhatu alone become become dir because of the Pratyaya under some changes dir. So Dhatu ho, Repa at the end of the Dhatu, when followed by a consonant, then that Pura will become. Already, in fact, we applied this sutra in other places we have seen. This is 8270.
8277.
77. So by that, Halicha sutra is Halicha. Irvaho Padaya Dirga Ekaha Halicha. So by that, D will become D. D. Now we can make do. Shattam we can apply, and after that Karicha. Shattam also we need to do. Shattam by the sutra 8359. Then we can do by 8454. Then it will become Didir Sha. Okay. Now Didir Sha is the Padam Didir Sha plus T. Didir Sha T. Arte, it is Ubepadi, right? Didir Sha Arte. You know, Didir Shati or Didir Shate. Is it clear? Then Dhru is, it is Anita. Yes, Anit. So Dhru plus Tum, here also it will become no Ita Hava. So become Dhartum, right? Is it clear? Dhartum Ichati.
Yes.
So what is the doubt here? The class we are discussing, it should be clear now, right?
Yeah, now it's
Follow
very,
the steps.
very clear, because what numbers to write we were wondering, and then
I took it for granted.
Some places it was 711 and some places 719, so we were confused whether
611
there is
and
options for
619.
writing.
Yeah, 611, 611.
619.
There's no option. Sananta will get duplication. Which will undergo duplication? That is said in the previous sutra. Okay.
Yes, Jainam. Now it's very clear.
Very clear.
Now let us do the Dring Dhatu, which is same as, I think it must be this, like this Dhatu, which happens to be said by the sutra, right? So this number is 5/5 Dhatu. Dhatu is Dring Dhatu, which is said by the sutra, which is given just now we saw.
The 7275. Kirascha Pancha, that one, no?
Yeah, here it is there. Yeah. Kirascha Pancham. Yes, there it is given. The form also is a Didharishate. So that is the form we have to get it. So therefore here also the dhatu, dring dhatu of the Gana, which belongs to the Gana,
Tudadigana,
Tudadigana.
Gana Atmanepadi, and Anitatus.
Meaning is Avasthane,
Avasthane,
Tudadigana and Atmanepadi and it, right? And becomes state for this.
yeah.
The sun, it is becomes state. So Dhru, the same thing. So now it is Ajadi Pratyaya, Seti, therefore Dvitam first.
Mm.
Right? Seti,
Yeah.
Dvitam. So Dhru. So this Haladi, Dhatu, therefore 619 by the duplication happens. And the duplication, which one undergo duplication? That is said by 611. Ekachaka
Ekachadwe Pratamasya.
Pratamasya. Why we apply? Why not Ajadehe, Ditya? This is not Ajadi Dhat. This is Haladi Dhat. Therefore, Ekacho, Pratamasya. Then we have this is Dhr. Then this will Dhr will undergo by the Urad. Then Aladi Sheshaha. The why two times I've written 7460 there. Anyway, not surprising. I remove that. There also I remove merit.
There it was right only, No.
Two times not required.
Oh,
Two times
okay.
it is. 7460 makes it Aladi Sheshaka. Then by 7479, Sanyataha become D. Finally, Abhyasa Charcha will apply, become D. Okay. Then Dhru plus Isa. Dhru, not Isa. All the way it is, this is set, aren't it? It is set, sorry, it is set only.
State
Say it
only, we
only,
have to-
say it only.
State only.
Yeah. Set only. So now we have the Dhru plus Isa. So therefore, the form would become Dhru Angakarya become Dhar. Didhar plus Isa. So you will have Didhar Isa. And Shattam happens. Didhar Isha. And Abhyase Charcha by the
8454.
by that this becomes D. 8454.
4.
Then you have Didhar Isha and Atmane Paridhatu. So Didhar Isha Te. Didhar Isha. And here also it is Anit only. It is Anita set.
It is Anit only.
So therefore Dhartum only. Dhartum Ichati Didharishate. Okay. Fine. So then Sudadigana. In Vadigana also this Dhatu is that Sanantarupam. Same only Didharishate. So next one. All these are except, I mean, some certain things are weight set. Now let us do the next one. Sixth dhatu, the Rakaranta. Let us do the dhatu. Vring dhatu. Vring means you should remember what is that. In the Karika itself, this very dhatu is there. What Karika? Ittagama Karika. The Ittagama Karika itself, this dhatu is the Vring dhatu. Please see that Karika is a very useful Karika. You can see that. Ittagama Vishaya. Where is that Karika?
Different file use.
Oh, not here. But
Not
Ukara,
here.
Rukara. Okay, I can show you that the Karika itself, this Vru and Vrung. Or you can see the list. Okay, Karika you
Yeah,
can see
it
later.
is there. It's there, Daji, you have given.
Where
And
is
the
the-
weight you have given, and the weight after.
Yeah. So this is Sananta. It Vyavastha for sun. Here you can see. You see the table now?
Yeah,
This is general. Okay, not for sun. In general, the table this is. So here it is given. Vru and Vrung specifically mentioned in the Karika. So therefore it must be said. Other than this dhatus, all the Rikarantas are anit. That is why Drung and all we took as anit, etc. Of course, barring exceptions. Now with regard to sun, what will happen? Come down. This is general. With
it's
regard to
weight
sun,
it is.
it is up. Yeah, it is weight. So for
Yeah.
sun, it is weight. Where is it given? Let's see here.
Down, so in short summary.
Yeah. Weight ajanta dhatus. Here we are given. Vru and Vrung. Vrung and Vrung is dhatu, which are said for sun. So which are said for sun, it is weight. Vrung dhatu and Vrung dhatu in general, which are said, becomes weight for
Weight.
sun. So therefore, we will have two forms now. Okay. So we'll take both the dhatu. Try. We'll have two forms. Therefore, it is weight rikaranda dhatu. Weight rikaranda dhatu. First dhatu, let us take Vrung dhatu, whose meaning is
Bring us some bhakta to serve.
to serve. Which gana?
Krayadi. Yeah.
Prayadihi, Atmanepadi,
Atmanepadi.
Sakarmaka. Yeah.
Sate.
Set dhatu, but here it is
Weight.
weight. So we have to do two. It pakshe and it pakshe we have to do. Okay. And okay, while doing, I'll tell you what it is. Here there's something. Here itself, I will write here. Note, maybe a note. That is, there's a sutra. Guruto va. Okay, let me show it the website itself. Please see the sutra. Guruto va. 7 to 38 tells, see the Kashika. Vru iti, these two dhatus are denoted. Samanyena grahanam. Tasmad uttarasya. Rikarantebhyascha. Itaha va dirgaha bhavati. So, you see, it is weight, number one. Number two, if it is itagama, the it can become dirga optionally. Understand? So, how many forms you will have? You follow what I'm saying? Yes or no?
Partly.
Yes, Ji.
See, dhatu is with regard to sun, it is weight, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So you will have two
Yeah.
forms.
Two forms.
Weight,
Yeah.
weight, okay. Weight means one paksha it is itagama, other paksha it is anit, right?
Done it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It pakshe, the itagama can become dirga optionally. Therefore, you will have three forms. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
If it is said pakshe, we will have the itagama dirga optionally. So,
Okay.
Vrutova iti sutrena. I just write the Kashika. Sutrena kim bhavati iti sutrena.
Dirgha.
Vru iti
Vikara
Vru
becomes
bringa samanena grahanam. This is all Kashika. Rukarante vyascha itaha rukarante vyaha. But only for this two. Itaha dirgaha va bhavati. Understand? This you need to know. This Vrutova iti sutra number is 7 to 38. Just no way. 7 to 38. So you need to remember. So when we do it paksha, we have to be clear about this. Okay. So let us do now. Let us do what paksha? Let us do it paksha.
Yeah.
First, let us do finish it paksha. So we'll have 2. So I will write here. It pakshe. It pakshe. It pakshe itself we will have 2 forms, and it paksha 1 form. Therefore 3 forms I said. Vru plus sun. So it pakshe. So
Yes, sir.
itagama, then itagama by the sutra. This dhatu is, it will get itagama. Okay. So it is not ekach, it is ekach only, but not anudata. So by 7 to 35, dhatu, it is given the karika, and the dhatu is weight. Dhatu is weight. How do you know the dhatu is weight? By the sutra? What sutra? By what sutra vru is weight? Vru dhatu is weight. Okay. Vru dhatu is set.
This
and the
one, G,
dhatu
7 to 57.
becomes 7 to 57. One minute. No, not 70.
Itagama optionally it's
That is
for a kr and okay, krita, shrita, not.
so this vitagama vikalpena bhavati. Okay, again we have to go to the sun only. Okay, sun without that I tried. Okay, so this dhatu, they are said. They are said means they are not ekashana dhatu. Therefore 7, 1, 9 cannot be applied. I mean 7 to 10 cannot be applied. 7 to 35, by that it will get itagama. But this itagama is made optional by the sutra. Yes, 7 to 35 only we required, not the other one. Okay. The dhatu which is said is given an optionality of anit. So that is by the sutra which we have to see before here. That is required for anit paksha, not for this, but anyway we will find out. So that it is required. That is by here it is Rivarantanam. No, not this one, sorry. Here it is, yeah. You see. It saniva. For san pratyaya, when san pratyaya follows, this dhatu will get itagama optionally. So this sutra is required. This sutra, the desiderative son may take optionally it, and is strengthened also after the said vru and ru. Okay. So dhatu which is said is given an optionality by this sutra 7 to 41. That is not required for us now. Let us do 7 to 35. Do with 7 to 35. Now vru plus isa. Ajadi pratyay, then seti. Seti,
So
what will happen?
Dritvam and Ajadesha.
So therefore, vru. Is it clear up to this? Am I
Yeah.
confusing?
No, Ji.
No, Ji.
This is by 611 and 619. Fine. Dittam has happened. Then after that, after that, we can do the say it, Dvitam, then after that, the Angakarya only. Yeah. Okay. Then Viru will become Viru is Rikara. So therefore, we can apply Urat.
Urat
By that become
7466.
Var. And
So
this is
var
7466, right?
yeah.
Same thing. Yes. So therefore, Var plus Viru. And after that, Aladi Sheshaha, by that becomes Va. Vavru. And Vavru. Then we can do Sanyataha. By that, Vivru. Then we can do the Angakarya. Angakarya, Viru will become Var, right? 7384. Then we have V, Va, Ri, Sa. Chatam, V, Va, Ri, Sha. Vivarisha. So Vivarisha is the Dhatu. And Sanajantaha Dhatuha. Then Vivarisha plus it is Parsipadi Atmanipadi, Vringdhatu. Mitra. Therefore Atmanipadi only. Te. So you have Vivarishate. That's a form. So Vivarisha.
So Varitu.
So here Viru plus state or it?
It's it only, no?
State. Therefore Ritum.
So
Therefore Viru, Var, Varitum. So Varitum Ichati Vivarishate. Right? Here Dirghatam not done. It Pakshe, but it Raswa. Raswam. Rasve. I mean, as it is Rasve only. We are not made Dirga. Now we will do Dirgatvam. It Pakshe, Dirge Krite. Dirge Krite by the Sutra. Already that's given note. Sutra Rikarante, just Itaha Dirgaha Vikalpena Bhavati, right?
7 to 30.
So Vivarishate is one form. Now, it Pakshe, Dirge Krite. Dirge. Therefore, Ittahama will become here itself 7 to 135. We are first 7 to 35 we have to do. And there itself we can mention this Ittahama comes, it becomes Dirga by the Sutra Vrutova. Here itself I can write the Sutra 7 to 60, 38. Right? By the Dirgatam happens. So everywhere other steps are same. This is Ajadi Pratyaya, therefore Seti, therefore Dvitam first. All those things are same. Angakarya is not negated. Therefore you will have Vivarisha. Vivarisha. Dirghatam only will come. Other things are all same. So Vivarishate. Is it clear? Yes.
That Rikara will not undergo Dirgatvam ji, only the it will become.
Ittagama only. Dirgha bhavati. Ittaha va dirgha bhavati. Ittaha sthani dirgha adesha bhavati. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Just a minute.
Why we are not applying here Haladi and that
Yes.
Hali child?
No, it's Ittagama is there, no? So
Not here. For it, we apply the
Because-
Halich also, no? Here before.
the Halicha is what, 8-2? But before that itself,
that
you
not 8.
Halicha is 8 to 77.
8 to 77, yes.
Yeah. Whereas this comes before, I think. There itself, Dirgatvam has happened.
Previous one that before we did the Raswa form, right? There also we didn't do that, right?
That is, I think that we did for Anit form, no? Not for it.
Oh, no,
Pakshe.
It Pakshe Rasve. See, it's written as It Pakshe Rasvaha, right?
Is it Pakshe? I think it's
Yeah.
Pakshe.
See, it's on the screen. You can see that. It Pakshe
No.
Rasva.
For application of Halicha, he did it
He did
for
not change here actually. He copy pasted here. Before
Ilama,
it
what
was.
I'm saying is Dru he did. For Alicha also he explained, no? That you did for Anit Pakshe.
Why we are not doing for here? First one
Because this
is
is
Anit
Pakshe.
Pakshe. Is it?
No, both are it Pakshe, but it has undergone Dirghatvam here. They're using
My
this 7.
question is, the before thing is it Pakshe Rasvaha, correct? The first
Yeah.
one, what he did?
Yeah, yeah.
For that, Halicha should have been applied, right?
இல்ல அது அனிட்டுக்கு தான் வரும்ன்றேன் நானு.
அனிட்டுக்கு தான் வருமா?
பாருங்க திரு தாத்துல அப்படிதானே எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணாரு, அனிட்டுக்கு தானே வருது அது.
அப்படியா? Okay, we have to check that one. Yeah.
அது no.
Yeah,
when it comes to Anit Pakshe, let's see what he's doing.
Okay.
Kshamita, sorry. Okay. So, Ittagama only undergo Dirgham. Okay.
Okay.
So, therefore, Vibari, that's another form. Now we have to do Anit Pakshe.
Anit Pakshe.
Anit Pakshe, only one form. Ittagama, irundadane Dirgham pandrathu illiye. So, only one form. So, Anit Pakshe. So, let us do Anit Pakshe. No Dirghatum there. So, Vru plus no Ittagama. Anit by what rule? Now here we can, that the rule, that is it Saniva 7 to 41. 7 to 35 by that Ittagama is ordained, but 7 to 41 makes it Vikalpa. So therefore become Anit, right?
Okay.
So now it is Aniti. Aniti, what will happen? Angakarya first and then
Ajadesha and Ditvam.
But Ajadesha is negated
by Ecojal 129.
Ecojal it is negated. So therefore we cannot do. Ecojal is, number is
129.
Is negated. Therefore we do Dittam. Dittam is done by the Sutra 619 and the question comes, which will undergo Dittam? 611 undergoes. That is Ekacho Vipratamasya. So we'll undergo Dittam. Right? Understand?
Yeah.
So Vru plus Sa. Then Abhyasa Karya, all those things are same. So Vru will become Var and Var will become Va. Right? Then Va will become V. Then Vibru plus Sa. Vibru plus Sa. Oh, don't forget, sorry, here when we forgot one thing, that Vibru, okay. This is Ajajya, Ach Janagamam Sani, right?
That's what, okay. So that will become Vru.
So by that it becomes Vru. Ach Janagamam Sani. So
6.
Therefore
16.
Ecojal negates, but this will become Vru. So the entire now thing changes. Okay. So don't do the Dittam here. Dittam we can do later. So here itself we have to do, sorry. Because Vru is what? This is Ajadesha only. So Ajadesha we have to do first because it is Seti, right?
Yeah.
So therefore this is wrong. Okay. Sorry. You have to apply 6, 4, 16 by that.
But Seti means Ditvam first and Ajadesha.
Ajadesha. Okay. Now Vru. Now it is Vru. So this is wrong. Okay. Anyway, doing wrongly, we understand the correct thing. So Vru. Now what will happen? Vru is now Rukaranta Dhatu. Therefore, Udoshtya Purvasya will apply. 7-1, 7-100, 7-1, and 101, 7-1, 102. Rutaha Iddatoho is 7-100. This is
then Halicha.
And the next sutra is Udayascha. This sutra is Udoshtya Purvasya. This sutra says Udoshtya Purvasya. So all this, right? Fine. Now here what will happen? Vrudhatu. Therefore here it will be replaced by the Udoshtya is, Oshtya letter is, Vakara is Oshtya or not? Vakarasya Danta Oshtam, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Not
Yes,
only
Chief.
Pavarga. Here the example it is here, Pavarga is given.
Yeah.
Pr become not become ir, it becomes Pur. Then after alicha will apply, poor, you get, right? Example all we know. Now here Viru is Vakara. Vakara is this one, first time you are saying this Vakara. It's a Oshtya letter, Danta as well as Oshtya. Therefore, by the Sutra 71102, that Viru will be replaced by Ur. Ur means U means Ur. Ur and Praha will apply. Therefore, you get Ur. Understand? Is it clear? Ur. Now we can do the duplication. Duplication by Ur. Upada is there. This is ecogel. Ecogel negates Angakarya. And therefore, Angakarya not possible. Therefore, we do Dvitvakarya. Now we can do Dvitvam of Ur. And Ur is Ala Ur, okay. Then Aladi Sheshaha. What is Aladi Sheshaha number? Aladi Sheshaha is
7460.
60. I take that first. So by that, Wu alone will remaining, and this is Ur, Sa, and then Wu will not undergo any change. Okay, Wu will remain as it is. So it is Wu, and let's write like this. Wu, then Ur, followed by Sa. I'm just writing like this. Now Repa is followed by the Hal. This is a Dhatu. Repa is followed by a Hal. Therefore, Alicha will apply. By that, Upadayaha Dirgatam Bhavati. Therefore, this becomes Uvur, Ursa. By the Sutra 8 to 70. Alicha, what's the number? 8 to
77.
77. Yeah, 77.
One doubt, Ji. This State Pakshe, we don't apply that 8 to 76. Irvoro Upradaya. That one we don't apply for.
Not State Pakshe, Arit Pakshe. State Pakshe, how can you apply?
Yeah, it's Ali.
Because that requires 8 to 76 says Repanta Padam.
Yes.
Irvahupadaya Dirga Ikaha, that Repa of the Dhatu at the end of the Padam, when preceded by ik letter, it gets Dirgattam. But the 8 to 77 say Alicha. There it is not a Padam. Followed by a Hal, the Repa and the Dhatu preceded by ik letter gets Dirgattam. Okay.
Okay. The Padam status is not.
Yeah, Padam status is there for 8 to 76, but not here for 8 to 77, Alicha. Therefore, we have now Bubursa, we can apply Shatvam. Therefore, Bubursha. Right? And this Dhatu is Parashipati Atmanipadi.
Atmanipadi.
So, therefore, Bubursha plus te, Buburshate. I'm not sure whether the form is correct. We have to check. Varitum Ichati, Buburshate. Let us check the form. Is it the same? Sambhakto Sananta Kattari. Yeah, it is same. Let's see. So we have 3 forms. Vivarishate, Set Pakshe. One is Dirgatam. Other one is Vivurshate. Is it clear? So 3.
SG.
Now, this we have done. What about the other Dhatu? The other Dhatu also must be having the same, because that also, in fact, that is okay. That also doesn't matter, but that also same only. Dhatu, which is also included. There is Swadigana. Here also you will have 3 forms. Sanadi Kartari, if you say. Oh, only 1 form. Okay, I think we have to do this. Because it is Atmanepada, there we have 2 forms, and here Vivarishati. This is here 3 forms are given. Sorry, you can see here. Vivarishate, Vivurshate. Right?
Parasmepadi 1 form and here 3.
Why Paras? Yeah, no, Parasmepadi also 3 forms only. Sorry, I didn't see it properly. Vivarishati, Vivurshati. So both are same only.
All 3 are,
Sorry.
yeah.
Only thing is here at the Atmanepadi, therefore 2 tables. Two forms are there. So it is same as what we did now. Okay. It is same as what we have done. So we don't have to do it, repeat it again. So I'll just mention this, the form is same. Seventh one will be the Ubhayapadi Dhatu. Therefore, we have two Rupam. It is Ubhayapadi, Brinj Dhatu. I think with this will stop. Varane, which is in the Gana, Swadigana, Ubhayapadi. Ubhayapadi. Said. Say becomes wait. So here you can tell me Itpakshe. Itpakshe Rasvaha. What will be the form? I will type the form. Same as above. And ultimately Itpakshe Dirgha and Itpakshe. Itpakshe Dirgha. Vrutova by that sutra becomes Dirgha. And it is Anitpakshe. Anitpakshe, there is no question of this. So here the form would be Anitpakshe via Vuvurshate. It is Ubhayapadi, therefore Vuvurshati or Vuvurshate, two forms. And Itpakshe, what is the form? I'll take one, it's the same thing. It Rasvapakshe, we will have, okay, Dirgha Pakshe, Vivarishate or Vivarishati or Vivarishate. Rasvapakshe, Vivarishati or Vivarishate. Understand? So then that same as Prakriya is same as above. Prakriya to bring with so therefore punaha alochaniyaha na karaniyaha. Understand? Punaha asya alochaniyam anavashyakam. But you do it, huh? For the class it is anavashya, but you do it practice. Okay. Not required. Is that clear?
Yes,
Parvati?
Yes, Ji, got it.
Somewhat
We
it's
will do.
clear. Okay. So I'll stop here. I'll send this. You can go through. How many dhatus? I mean, how much you have covered in this? All?
Till
Already
what we
finished?
did last class, we were doing it, Ji.
Okay. Sorry. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
Both meanings are different, Noji. Bring this one Varane and the before.
Yeah, Varane means
But-
to choose.
But
There it
the
is
forms are
some
same. How will
Yeah,
we
yeah.
know them?
context only.
Context and, yeah.
Just context.
Okay, धन्यवाद.
Dhanyawad, Ji.
ధన్యవాదాలు.